Well, hello, welcome back to All Things Alex. Yes guys, I bought myself another project. It's a Morris Minor from 1960. It's been off the road for a long time, gonna need quite a bit of work. It'll be fine, it'll be absolutely fine. No, completely gonna ruin me. Well, you know when you're on eBay and you're looking at things you really shouldn't be buying, but then you go and buy them anyway. Well, that's what we did. It's a Morris Minor, it's from 1960. It's been off the road about 12 years and needs quite a bit of work. So apparently I'm the guy for the job. That sounds like a great idea. Well, the first thing you do when you buy a car is to look in the boot or the trunk, as Derek would say on the Westgate Garage, because that tells you everything you need to know about a vehicle. Hopefully we won't find the engine parts, water pumps, alternators, chargers. So let's just see what we've got. Well, I'm going to have to do this one-handed. Let's just see what we've got in here. Oh, that's rather heavy. Oh, well, that was heavy. Surprisingly, really. What do we got? What do we got? Right, we've got headlight buckets. Ooh, hubcaps. Austin A40 flasher lamp. I think that's the same. Might come in handy. Ah, that's handy. That's the is that the? Yeah, that's the. That's the. That'd be for there then. That's good. So we got that. More headlights. Oh, we got four-wheel trims. No, we have. Cool, that's good. Miscellaneous stuff. More lenses. More wheel trims. Some wiring. I think it's just all light related. Is that a door seal? Might be. Quarter light seal. Is that a spare? That's a spare wheel. Oh, okay. That might let some wind out. We'll ignore that for now, but oh, fuel tank looks good. Under the bonnet's crispier than my grand's 50-year-old Jeff cakes. Not too sure what that meant, but that's not too bad. Yeah, that's less than ideal. What have we got going on here? Surprisingly heavy. Oh, now I've got that seat out of the way, you can have a look in here. The light is fading, guys. Sorry, it's getting a bit on in the day, but this is the floor, which isn't a horror story. You can get floors for this, but obviously that's less than ideal because that might get a bit cold. We'll just put the carpet down and pretend we didn't see that. Hey, headline is still there. Oh, it's starting to sink in what I've taken on here. This is going to be a long-term project, guys. I'm under no illusion it needs a lot of work. It needs a lot of welding. I'm going to go through the basics over the next couple of videos. I'll go through the basics. We'll see if we can get started. I'm not just going to crank it over with a battery on it, guys. That's the worst thing you can do. You can damage the engine. You can strip the starter. The best thing to do is to try and crank it over by hand, either by turning the fan blade to get a bit of tension on the fan belt, or even get a socket on the spanner on the crankshaft pulley and see if the engine will do rotation. That's another job for another day when it's warmer, because it's absolutely freezing. I'm going to speak to the owners club, also get some panels ordered up, because luckily being a Morris Minor you can get everything for these, which is a godsend really, because I'm going to need quite a bit of work doing to this car to get it even safe for driving. Going forward, this is going to be a good little run around, I think. Yeah, and it's what, 63 years old? That's quite scary actually. Where are we? Basic maths. 70, 80, 90, 2000, 2010, 2020, 2023. So it's 63 years old. Yeah. Hasn't it worn well? Let's see what we got. Nothing, no lights, nothing. No pedals. The choke, yeah. Turned. But I wasn't going to do that, was I? I was going to check. Okay, well it turns over. Kind of. Got water gauge, battery, oil pressure gauge, choke, wipers, ignition sticks, lights I think, and that's a starter. And down there must be something for the, is that ventilation? Oh, Tudor, oh, push the screen wash. Wow! Does it work? Wow! I did something and it worked. What's this? Hello? Nothing. We have throttle pedal. That's a negative on the brakes. That's a negative on the clutch. So one of the three works. How'd you get out of here? Guys, thanks ever so much for watching. This has just been a brief introduction to this car. I just wanted to show you what I've bought, and obviously there's going to be a lot of content going forward because this is going to need a lot of work. So until next time, I shall see you soon. Take care. Where's that tea?